Hello again to my subscribers and not subscribers. So in my videos I explained how on the earth before was not no religion, and all the earth and the humans lived happily, obeying the law of Moses. Everybody knew the law. I mean the 10 Commandments, okay, the book of Moses. So I told you that there are some infiltrators or pretenders that for their own gain invent religion and distort all kind of truths. So they infiltrate everywhere and modify this history on their advantage, lying about everything in order to gain power and riches. So this video that you are seeing now here, it's the part 5 of the series When the Survivors of Atlantis Wake Up by New Earth channel. She did a wonderful research and history for us, and this part is the most significant for the video that I will try to explain to you. So these artifacts are found in Russia, and there are written here in Aramaic and here in Arabic. These are crowns, swords, scepters, and are made of gold. And she want to prove to you in her videos that long ago we respect each other and our civilization, and we fight together against a common enemy. There was not the Arabian people, Arabic people, and neither the Caucasian people. Arab means mixed. So in this fascia of mixed people are Chinese, Japanese, Indonesian, New Zealand, Indians, and so on. They all are mixed. So even if they are not named anymore Arabs, they are mixed people. So in my videos I try to, even the people will not believe me, I try to make your reasoning, to test your reasoning, and by trying to demonstrate that Jesus Christ have too much in common with Muhammad. Okay, Jesus Christ was sent to the Hebrews to remember them the law of Moses. They captured him, tortured him, beat him, and in the end crucified him and declared him dead. So at the age of 33 years, then a man around his 40 arrived to the Arab people. His name is Muhammad. Muhammad means stone. The symbol that is written Muhammad means stone, the stone. Now Jesus said to the Hebrews, okay, that don't you know that the foundation stone that the builders rejected, it became now the cornerstone, and this is a wonderful thing in our eyes. and as soon he said that, they tried to kill him. So now you know that at Mecca is Kaaba, and Kaaba have a stone at an angle, and that stone was put there by Muhammad, that his name is Stone, and learned them the law of Moses, and they believe that Muhammad, was the messenger of God. Now, I told in my other video that the enemy infiltrated after that even the Arabs and distorted all the teaching of Muhammad, and many teaching of Quran are similar to the Talmudic or the bad Hebrew teaching, and this only proved that the enemy did enter, infiltrated, and distort the truth. Now this is iconography, how we see Jesus, okay, and we'll try to find the iconography of Muhammad, so to see if I have right, okay. So the last prophet, Muhammad, Jesus. Let's find another depiction. Yeah, they put all kind of stuff, so let's try this one. Okay, Jesus, Muhammad. Nothing. So let's say try to find what Muhammad teach. Okay, so my computer just blocked. Okay, we'll try to find some teaching of Muhammad. Okay, so let's try, let's see. Okay, the life of Muhammad. Okay, the teaching. Let's see the teachings. Okay, my computer lately have a lot of. Okay, I clicked. Okay, yeah, so don't want to open it for me, still in freezed. Okay, so Muslims shall extend over the Christians everywhere the arm of mercy and kindness, protecting them from the exaction of oppressors. Muhammad said that. Okay, Prophet Muhammad. What else? Yeah, my computer will not resist to do maybe this video, so other teachings if my computer will permit. Okay, no, today. Sorry. Yeah, the truth is sometimes so awful. Yeah, unbelievable. So yeah. I'm sorry. There was another teaching of the taxes and how much the taxes should be paid, and was very interesting and similar with the teaching of Jesus. So at the moment my computer, you see this little hand that, so okay, seem that want to, no, didn't want to work. Anyway, I'll search it and then do play. So I find this is the farewell sermon of the Prophet Muhammad, and say, O people, just as you regard this month, this day, the city as sacred, so regard the life and property of every Muslim as a sacred trust. Return the goods entrusted to you to their rightful owners. Hurt no one, so that no one may hurt you. Remember that you will indeed meet your Lord, and that He will indeed reckon your deeds. Allah has forbidden you to take usury, interest, in Arabic riba. Therefore, all interest obligation shall henceforth be waived. Your capital, however, is yours to keep. You will neither inflict nor suffer any iniquity. Allah has judged that there shall be no usury, no interest, and that all interest due to Abbas ibn Abd al-Muttalib, the Prophet's uncle, shall henceforth be waived. Beware of Satan for the safety of your religion, the deceiver, the liar. He has lost all hope that he will ever be able to lead you astray in big things. So beware of following him in small things. O people, it is true that you have certain rights in regard to your woman, but they also have rights over you. Remember that you have taken them as your wife, only under Allah's trust and with His permission. If they abide by your right, then to them belongs, and so on. So this is very similar with what Jesus taught. So anyway, I leave it to you. Think about it. I also found, but I don't find anymore, another iconography of Muhammad, and so if we want to see so much similarity, he teach the Arab people that we are friends and brothers, and to defend and help one another against the enemy that make usury and banks and capital and so on. Okay, so with this I leave you to think however on or whatever you want to think, and till my next video, don't be angry, just open a bit your minds and thoughts and think about it. Okay, bye bye.